Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? My name is Attorney Charles Zavala, your immigration lawyer. So we did a video, I think it was last week, regarding how there's been this big change when it comes to immigration bonds, and this YouTube short's gonna kind of break it down. So long story short, usually when you're placed in immigration detention, you most of the times are eligible for a bond. That means somebody pays money, you come out and you continue your case on the outside, just like a criminal case. You pay a bond, you come out. However, there's some things called mandatory detention, which if you committed certain crimes, you may not be eligible for a bond. However, on September, I think it was 5th or September 9th, a new case came out of the BIA, which stands for Board of Immigration's Appeal, that essentially changed everything and made it so much more difficult. So long story short, this case is called Hurtado. It's gonna say that if somebody entered the country illegally, they do not have a right to an immigration bond. And this is crazy because, I mean, ever since I've been practicing, the precedent has always been they are eligible for bond. But this changed everything. So this is ultimately saying if a person was not admitted into the country, which means that they weren't allowed to pass or admitted by the authorities, the EOIR judge, which is the immigration judge, does not have jurisdiction. So this is a tough blow to all immigrants because ultimately what it does is it forces them to fight their case from the inside of detention, which nobody wants to do, which is really just going to force them to either take their deportation earlier or fight a case that most likely they may not win. So this is a huge blow for immigration. You all can watch our full video about that, but I'd like to see what happens in the next few months and see what challenges come out of this. Have a beautiful day. If you ever need anything from immigration, give me a call.